Today is one of those days where I am absolutely indecisive and can't figure out where I want to go, what I want to do. I'm just kind of swamped with indecisiveness, I guess, immobilized by indecisiveness. So I am going to go and throw on my motorcycle gear, go for a ride, and see where it takes me. Stay tuned. Where I ended up at the trail of the Caribou Park. Let's go check it out. I never actually came here and sat down and really took in all the different monuments and plaques that are here, so I'm gonna go check them out. Want to join me? Come on, let's go. I gotta say, there's a lot of great information here at this little park. If you're ever interested in finding out more about Newfoundland's contribution to Beaumont Hamel, World War I, there's a lot of great information here, a lot of stories that you can read about. I know you can go up to the Royal Newfoundland Regimental Museum and check stuff out as well. I think you can even go over to the rooms. Actually, they have a huge display on at the rooms as well. And great stuff to see, and great stuff to remember. So anyway, I'm craving a coffee now, so I must go and see if I can find a spot for a coffee.
grains glistening in the twilight. The rolling tide begins its leisurely retreat. Fragments of glass frolic and whirl, miniature structures, relics of defeat. Placid surges from an aqueous trance, gentle tones appease the essence. Embodiment of tranquility, inner peace, a stillness, a mistaken semblance. Diminutive blisters adrift in the glow, wandering aimlessly upon the swell. Vanishing narratives astray at sea, a legend that none shall tell. Skeletons wither as the ocean cowers, a refuge beyond embrace. Thwarted and ruined, a memento of grief. Distant desires relinquish their trace.